Where is everyone? Strange, let me just check something. Ah, So it turns out I'm a wee bit early for this car meet. 2 weeks early to be specific. I just got so excited when I saw that little advert for the first car meet starting this Wednesday, although it didn't say this Wednesday. Here's the flyer that I saw. As you can see, it starts Wednesday the 4th of August, which is 2 weeks away. Oh well, I just can't win. However, I've still not fixed that squeak, so might as well try and get that done today. I've also got another clunk I need to fix, and then the car will be perfect. What squeak are you talking about? Let me show you. Listen carefully. Squeak. Oh, it's driving me mad. Right, see the house, we'll start ripping things apart, get to the bottom, and that clank down there, I know what that is. Alright, see you in a minute. Right, before I get started, let me show you something that's pretty cool. 3,000 subscribers, 3,000 certifiable nut jobs that thought subscribing to my channel was a good idea. Thank you very much. I appreciate every single one of you. And if you were number 3,000, leave a comment. Let me know who you are. You are the first of the 3,000. Okay, back to work. No fireworks this year. So I have a fair idea where this squeak is coming from. And that would be this corner here somewhere. That's a wooden panel under the carpet, wooden panel, wooden floor. So I'm going to have to strip the carpet off and do a bit of a rock test, see if we can replicate the noise. Joy. I already had this one off. It's got to be behind there. Let me rock the car and see if we can find that squeak. I think it's coming from the base, so I need to take this panel off, find out what's loose. Let's try the rock test again. I can still hear a squeak. think it's coming from the base of the back panel. Oh, great. Oh, that's a good way to find it. Something connected to that. I'm going to have to get into the trunk. Oh, of course the trunk's full. Need to empty that first. I think it's coming from behind the battery, so let's get that out. I think the base of this bar is no longer attached to the floor. You can see a big crack down there. So I'm going to have to clean that up, try and weld it back on. Oh, look. I'm pretty sure that is the cause. And it's just scraping next to that. So I'm going to have to, it's all covered in that undercoating stuff, so that's going to be a pain. It's got to be done though, so I'll bring you back when I'm ready to weld that up. Don't you just love it when a simple squeak turns into a floor and frame repair? So this is no longer attached to the underside of the floor where it's supposed to bolt to the frame. So that's squeaking like mad. This part of the floor wasn't attached to anything. I know it looks kind of rusty and horrible, but it's actually still good metal. It's just not been cared for. This whole section here is not original. I think that was put in before I owned it, just to keep the body frame while they were trying to mount it on the frame. So I need to re-weld that, clean it up obviously, re-weld it to the underside of the floor area, and then make a little plate to cover all that mess. The hardest part's going to be getting in to clean it up so that I've got something to weld to, but needs to be done, or the squeak will send me to the loony bin. Right, that vertical bar is now welded to the floor again. It's not my best work. In fact, might be some of my worst work. It kind of caught fire a few times, so I had to keep stopping so I couldn't get a decent bead going, but it's solid and it doesn't squeak anymore. So before I weld a little plate, you know, a wee sin hider over the top, I'm going to put it all together, go for a drive, make sure it's gone, because that would be a nightmare if I covered up that weld with another weld and it was still there and I'd have to, oh, you know the story. Right, let me get this all together and I'll see you on the road. Right, we're back together again. I've got soundproofing in my trunk now. Yeah. And the carpet isn't restuck, but it's in the right place. Obviously that section's still to get stuck on properly. Okay, let's go for a drive. Here we are again. Okay, wish me luck. Again. Oh, power. goodness, what a difference. I do still have that clank down there. I know exactly what that is. Relatively easy fix. But I wanted to get this squeak out of the way. Every time you get rid of a noise, you hear the next louder one. And at the moment, that's the only one I'm hearing, which is fan-dabby-dozy. Oh, what a relief. Oh my goodness. Excellent. Right, we can now finally get the car back to... Oh no, I need to take it apart and put a little plate over that hole. Place your bets on whether I put that plate on or not. Time will tell. Oh, I'm so glad. Oh, that makes up for no car show, honestly. Just makes the car that much more drivable. Right, I'm heading home. Thank you again for 3,000 subscribers. Very much appreciated. Can't quite retire yet, but we're getting there. And by retire, I just mean, you know, make more pocket money on YouTube. Of course, I'm not in it for the money. I'm in it for the fame and glory. Okay, folks. Take care, everyone. See you tomorrow. Oh, so nice. Bye. Fantastic.